Hello, this is my assignment 1 and I want to start by demonstrating the core game loop. As you can see, the game flow from the title scene to the game scene and after that to the game over. So let's just play. The game. Okay, you can see the sliders here. This is for the game sound, and this one is the for effect sound, that is the jumping during the game. When I start the game here. Okay. You can see timer is showing time and some obstacles which are created one by one. And here the best time, because I already played, it's saved in the system, and this is the current time. If I quit the game, it goes to the first page of that. But if I start the game, you can see here that the game start goes. Okay, if you drop down, you can see that the game goes to the game over, and if I restart, start the game. Notice the infinite background and platform. The world generates ahead of me while the camera follows smoothly. When I hit an obstacle, the manager triggered the game over scene. And as I said here, you can see the game flow. And I'm just trying to pass the previous record to show you that the open noise. So, okay, by the way, you can click room, start that. Now we go to the game manager script here. This is my game manager script, and my architect is centered around the singleton game manager. In the awake method, I ensure only one instance exists and use don't destroy, don't load, so it persists across all 3 scenes. It acts as a central hub, coordinating sense transition and holding reference to my other core managers like the sound and timer system. Another script I want to show is the volume controller. Okay, for the UI, I implemented a decoupled system instead of hard referencing the sound manager in the inspector. My volume controller assigns listener to the slider via code at runtime. This allows the UI to talk to the sound manager without being tightly bound to it. I'm also using player perfs to ensure that the player's volume settings are saved and loaded correctly every time the game starts. Let's go to the segment spawner here. Okay, the environment use a procedure spawning system here, and the segment spawner calculates the player position and instantiate new platform and obstacles ahead of the view. To satisfy memory management criteria, I wrote a cleanup object here. It tracks active segments in a list and destroys them once they are far behind the player, preventing any performance leaks during an endless run. And let's go to the UI manager. Okay, finally the game timer tracks elapsed time during play and stops immediately upon death. For the bonus mark, I implemented best time tracking, and I use players prefs to compare the current runtime against the stored record, updating the save file only if a new record is set. This ensures the high score persists even after the game is closed. Okay, that's all. Thank you.